Hi everyone. Hope you are fine. Today we have a news on best gaming mouse to buy in 2018 to win video games with one of these really good rodents. Razer Dslr Elite. Packing in a sports grade 16,000 dpi sensor with a resolution accuracy of 99.4%, right-handed ergonomic design and mechanical switches, the Dslr Elite is, well, an elite gaming mouse. The fact that it also comes with Razer's Chroma lighting system, that's customizable lighting with 16.8 million color options, super slick Razer Synapse software, grip-tastic scroll wheel and perfectly placed side buttons, makes it a no-brainer purchase at less than 70 notes. SteelSeries Rival 700. SteelSeries has been pushing hard recently in the gaming mouse field, and that is once more evident in its SteelSeries Rival 700, which comes with an innovative, side-mounted OLED display. The display, which is black and white, is currently supported by 3 games, Dota 2, Counter-Strike, Global Offensive and Minecraft, providing key in-game information, but can also be used to loop animated GIFs too. In terms of specs, the 700 is also on point with a 16,000 dpi sensor, a modular design and programmable buttons. Logitech G502 Proteus Spectrum. If you are rather picky about the weight of your mouse, then you should definitely check out the Logitech G502 Proteus Spectrum, as it can be customized with up to 6 3.6 gram weights. As such, if you want a heavier mouse to wield on the virtual battlefield, then here you are well served. Other nifty features include a free spinning scroll wheel option, initiated by clicking in a middle mouse button, which makes scrolling a dream, as well as a whopping 11 customizable buttons. And, talking of customization, Logitech has its own RGB backlighting tech with the traditional 16.8 million colors available to choose from. Corsair Saber. Sitting well below our recommended price for a great gaming mouse, the Corsair Saber delivers super budget-friendly performance. The Saber's optical sensor is only 10,000 dpi, however, it has a super comfortable and lightweight design, only 100 grams, and features a 1000 Hz refresh rate and 8 programmable buttons too. Corsair don't skimp on the lighting options either, with its Corsair Utility Engine, Q, allowing you to define the hue and brightness level of multiple lighting zones around the mouse. Overall, a quality gaming mouse for a very attractive price. G.Skill Ripyaz MX780. Finally, we have the G.Skill Ripyaz MX780, which is one of the most feature-packed and customizable gaming mice in this 2017 Rodent Roundup. That customizability comes in the form of a height-adjustable palm rest, ambidextrous and interchangeable side grips and, naturally, adjustable weights. In terms of internal tech, the MX780 comes packing an 8200 dpi laser sensor that supports on-the-fly DPI switching, 8 programmable buttons, onboard memory storage for profiles, and a 1000 Hz polling rate. And the best thing is that you get all that for just 50 quid. Asus ROG Gladius 2. A curvaceous beauty, the Asus ROG Gladius 2 gaming mouse is a hell of looker. It also doesn't skimp on features or hardware, with a very competitive 12,000 dpi sensor, 50 grams acceleration, and removable left and right buttons. There's no fancy swappable weight system in the Gladius 2, however, a clickable scroll wheel, Omron switches, and a sensitivity toggle make this mouse well suited to a host of genres. SteelSeries Sensei 310. While the Sensei 310 has its shortcomings, including a flimsy, matte plastic body and a lack of weight adjustment, those sacrifices are there to raise the bar everywhere else. With its ambidextrous design, which suit both left and right-handed users, 12,000 dpi sensor and lightweight build, weight just 92 grams, it's one of the best gaming mice of the year. Roachcat Cone AIMO. Roachcat's latest gaming mouse offering is a beast in every sense of the word. Not only is it one of the chunkiest mice on the market, but it also boasts an impressive set of customizable features, including Easy Shift, which gives each of its 12 buttons a second function, 5 individual profiles, glorious RGB lighting and plenty more besides. A sturdy peripheral, but one that's only available in right-hand form. SteelSeries Rival 310. Much like the Sensei 310, SteelSeries' other gaming mouse offering, the Rival 310 offers an impressive number of features for a peripheral under £60. The lightweight build, coupled with the 12,000 dpi sensor, makes this mouse perfect for Twitch-style shooters such as COD or PUBG. The lack of weight customization can rankle, but its performance stats forgive all.